Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be creating a custom screw using revolve, sweep, and extrude features in SOLIDWORKS. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. So, let's get started. In this video, all the dimensions are measured in millimeters. Click on the Unit System area and select MMGS. We will begin by creating a sketch for the base feature, the first or parent feature of our model. Activate the Sketch tool and select Front Plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Now, activate the Line tool and draw a horizontal line here, then an inclined line like this, and again, a horizontal line, next, an inclined line again, and now close the sketch. After creating the sketch, right-click, then click on Select to exit the tool. Now activate the Smart Dimension tool, select this horizontal line, and set the horizontal length to 20 millimeters. Next, select this inclined line and this horizontal line, and set the angle between them as 15 degrees. Now select these two lines and set the distance between them as 1 millimeter. Next, select this vertical line and set it to 2.5 millimeters. And now select this inclined line and this vertical line and set the angle between them as 55 degrees. After applying all the dimensions and relation, the sketch becomes fully defined and all the entities turn black. Next, we will revolve it to add material. Go to the feature, activate the Revolve Base tool, select this bottom horizontal line as axis of revolutions. Now select Blind here and set the revolution angle as 360 degrees. Click here to exit the tool. Next, we will create a helix. Select Right Plane. Go here and click on the reference geometry. Click on this arrow, then select Plane. Now go here and set the offset distance as 16.2 millimeters. Click on the green tick mark. Now activate the Sketch tool, then go here, select this circular edge, click on the Convert Entities tool to project this edge onto a sketch. Now go to the feature, then to the curve, click on this arrow, select Helix and Spring. You can see the preview. Select Pitch and Revolutions here, select Constant Pitch here, then go here and set the pitch as 1.5 millimeters. Click on the Reverse Direction checkbox and Revolution to 9, and the Start Angle as 135 degrees. And here Clockwise is already selected. Next, click on the green tick mark. Now again go to the Sketch tab, activate Sketch tool. Select Previously Created Reference Plane as Sketching Plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Select this circular edge, then click on the Convert Entities tool to project this edge onto a sketch. Now go to the feature, then to the curve. Click on this arrow, select Helix and Spring. You can see the preview. Select Pitch and Revolutions here, then select Variable Pitch here in the first row. Set the pitch as 1.5 millimeters, and in the second row of set pitch as 1.5 millimeters, and revolution as 1, and diameter as 1 millimeter. And in the next row, set the pitch as 0.5 millimeters, and revolution as 2, and diameter as 0.1 millimeters. Deselect the Reverse Direction checkbox, and then select Counterclockwise here. Now click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of helix curve. Next, we will create the reference plane. Again, go to the reference geometry, select plane here, and then select Previously Created Plane as reference plane. Now set the offset distance as 2.3 millimeters. Click on the green tick mark. Activate the Sketch tool. Now activate the Circle tool and draw a circle here. Then activate the Smart Dimension tool, go here and set the diameter as 0.75 millimeters. Next, we will create the helix again. Go to the feature, then to the curve. Click on this arrow, select helix and spiral here. Select pitch and revolutions here, then select variable pitch here in the first row, set the pitch as 0.5 millimeters. And in the second row of set pitch as 0.5 millimeters and revolution as 1 and diameter as 0.1 millimeters. Go here and set the start angle as 90 degrees. Counterclockwise is selected here. Now click on the green tick mark. You can hide the planes from here. Next, we will create a reference plane. Select this point and then go to the reference geometry. Click on this arrow and select plane here. Now, click on this arrow and select front plane here. Preview appears. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of reference plane. Next, activate the sketch tool. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate the line tool and draw a horizontal line here. Then an inclined line like this, and now close the sketch. After creating the sketch, right-click and then click on Select to exit the tool. Now select these two lines with Control key and set the equal relation between them. Now activate the Smart Dimension tool, select this inclined line, and set the vertical length as 0.5 millimeters. Then select this horizontal line and set the length as 0.4 millimeters. You can see after applying all the dimensions and relation, the sketch become fully defined and all the entities turn black. Next, we will sweep this sketch. Now go to the feature, then activate the Swept Boss tool. You can see the sketch is already selected here. Now go here and select this helix as path of this swept feature. You can see the preview. Now click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of swept feature. Now again, we will create the swept feature. Go here and activate the Swept Boss tool. And then select this face. And now select this helix as path. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark. Next, we will create the swept feature again. Go here and activate the Swept Boss tool. And then select this face, and now select this helix as path. You can see the preview. Click here to exit the tool. Control 7 for the isometric view. You can hide the helix and plane from here. You can see the current model looks like this. Next, we will use Extrude Cut feature to remove material. Activate the Sketch tool and select this face as the sketching plane. Activate Center Rectangle tool and draw two rectangles, one here and another here like this. Right-click and then click on Select to exit the tool. Now we will apply the relations. Select these two lines with Control key and set the equal relation between them. And next, select these two lines with Control key and set the equal relation between them. Now activate the Smart Dimension tool and select this vertical line and set the length as 4 millimeters. And then select this line and set it to 0.5 millimeters. Now we will trim the unwanted parts. Activate the Trim Entities tool. Select Trim to closest here. Go here and select all of these one by one, and after that click on the green tick mark here to exit the tool. Next, go to the feature, activate Extrude Cut tool, select Blind here, and set the extrusion depth as 1 millimeter. And then click on this draft on and set the draft angle as 13 degrees. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark. Now we will apply the material Go to the material, right-click. Then click on Edit Material. Now open this SolidWorks material library. Next, open this steel material, scroll down, and choose Cast Carbon Steel. Click on Apply, and then close it. You can see the current model looks like this. And now we can change the view also. Go here, click on this arrow, and then click on this shaded option. Now you can see the shaded view of this model. And that's it! You have now created a screw in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.